Taxes should be fair, simple, and efficient. Fair is a relative term. There are two main principles that kind of state the differing opinions, one being the benefit principle, and those who believe the benefit principle believe that those who benefit from the government services should be the ones to pay for them, and people should pay taxes in proportion to the amount of services or benefits they receive. On the other side of the spectrum, we have the ability to pay principle. People should be taxed based on their ability to pay regardless of the benefits they receive. Personally, I believe that the ability to pay principle is fair, or more fair than the benefit principle, because I think that the benefits are hard to measure, and also the people who are benefiting the most are the ones who can afford taxes the least. So that leads me into my tax reform idea, and that is that I believe we should apply taxes or income tax on capital gained from stocks, bonds, and dividends. It's a fact that the richest 1% of taxpayers receive 71% of all capital gains, while the bottom 80% of taxpayers receive only 10% of capital gains. That is because the top 1%, a lot of these people like Mitt Romney and other rich people are that they receive a majority of their income or capital from these bonds and stocks because they don't have to pay taxes on them. So if we were to tax those like income tax, the rich would end up spending more on taxes because they can afford it more, and it would be a more equal number. It's simpler. There's not a lot of confusion. It's not hard to count up the amount of capital you gain from income. It's efficient and fair because there's no loopholes, and I think it's a good idea.